We're doing a hike in Coopersville. This is our hike at Coopersville, and the train is coming. Oh my God! Look at the tracks! The tracks are going. Whoa! The tracks are going up and down. These are the big oil tankers. Those oil tankers. I can't believe how up and down they're going. Look at! I'm dead if it derails. Look how fast it's going. They're literally going up and down. If you derail, you gotta fix them. It goes on forever, so we're hiking down this road in Coopersville. It goes for miles. Oh, there's a signal over there. Is there another road? Oh, here it comes. Alright, I thought it went on for miles. Can you imagine how much capacity the locomotive has? The capacity que la locomotive. Oh, well, that was a fun 2 minutes. Let's start in Bull Driven there.